To be sure you never miss a Tech Ninja video, tap on the bell icon right next to subscribe.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're taking a look at the Lighthouse Smart Security Camera. And I think by calling it a smart security camera, I'm underestimating what exactly it can do. It actually uses AI to give you the best possible notifications, and it notifies you how you want and when you want. And you can even ask it questions for certain things that just occurred or something that happened a couple days ago. The possibilities are endless. So if you're interested in smart home cameras, this is one you should definitely check out. The Lighthouse camera features everything you'd expect hardware-wise out of a 2018 camera. It has a 1080p sensor, dual band 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1 and wall mounting options. But where this camera shines is its smart capabilities. Lighthouse reached out to me to tell you all about their camera, so a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. The Lighthouse camera features a 3D sensor that can tell a difference between an actual human and a picture of a human. And it's the same technology that you're seeing with smartphones like the Apple Face ID. It uses this technology to actually do a scan of the depth and different colors and shadings rather than just a flat picture. And this sensor also prevents false alarms by lights and shadows and other things that makes traditional cameras give you notifications. Using this sensor with a mix of AI, the Lighthouse camera can tell exactly who is in your house or if there are any unfamiliar faces around. With all this information, the camera is the first of its type to offer true real-time alerts, and they're called pings. And you can set advanced alerts like ping me if my kids don't get home from school by a specific time, or ping me when you see something with the dog. And that's definitely scratching the surface on what the ping me feature can do. There's a lot of other things that I really can't get into in this video, but the possibilities definitely are endless. You can invite family and trusted guests with this app using geofencing, and the system knows exactly who's in your house. If you need to get a hold of someone in your house, the camera has two-way audio communication with the speaker and mic. And then you have the security siren that can be triggered remotely from the phone. And it's very loud, where you can hear it pretty much anywhere in the house. So if someone's upstairs, you trigger it downstairs, they would definitely hear this sound. Another feature that I really like is that you have the ability to tag faces. What I mean by that is that if it sees a face and it doesn't recognize it, it'll tell you right in the app, and then from there, you can tell it who it is. So if it's someone that is part of your household, someone in your family, you could then assign it to that person, and as you start doing that, it starts to learn. Very similar to what you see with Google Photos. Now, if the features stopped here, this would probably be a really good camera, but it really does get better. The Lighthouse system further utilizes AI to let you search through video clips with your voice. So instead of scrolling and flicking like what you'll see with other security cameras and clicking on a calendar, you can actually say the day, say the date, and time, and it actually works pretty good. So you can just say normal things like what happened yesterday, what was going on last Wednesday, what happened last night, show me everyone you didn't recognize this week. I mean, the possibilities definitely are endless, and if you're looking for something, you can use natural human language to hopefully find what you're looking for. And also, when you're reviewing something, you have the ability to save it. You can upload it to like Dropbox or Facebook or anything like that too. So when activity happens, you have the ability to take action on activity. You also see a daily recap that shows you just about everything you missed in a time-lapse format. This way, you'll be able to get a complete action without scrubbing through the entire day. Now, I just talked about a lot of cool features, but what's very important, especially when it comes to cameras, is privacy. You want to make sure it's only you looking at your cameras. Many people are uncomfortable with placing a security camera in their home for their own privacy. They feel violated having a camera always watching them, recording them. But with the Lighthouse privacy mode, it can automatically disable video recording when you or other authorized people from the app are at home. Everything's automated, so things just start to happen for you. You don't have to remember to turn it on and off. It actually turns off as soon as you get home. Furthermore, Lighthouse also said that they do not access any of your video content unless you specifically ask them for diagnosis purposes. You have full control to opt out of reporting any AI misclassifications, and it's up to you whether Lighthouse can access this video data or not. All data uses AES 256 session encryption. If you have any questions on what that is, I'm leaving resources down below to explain what the different levels of encryption is, but this is pretty high level encryption. It's very similar to what some banks would use. The data is stored for 30 days free of charge, then it's removed and then cannot be accessed by anyone. Lighthouse is really aiming to create a camera that helps families, and it's not complicated to get started. You basically put it in a room where your family spends most of the time, and then you download the app and you connect to it, make some accounts, send out invites, and that's pretty much it. After that, you can go in and set up some pings and the camera does the rest. In conclusion, this is a fantastic camera app for people who don't have time to tinker with conventional security cameras. The Lighthouse camera is the smartest camera I have ever seen or even heard of. It can tell the difference between a person, a cat, person on TV, a dog, shadows, anything like that. It actually can see and know exactly what's happening. So you're not getting false alarms all day, and if you need to find something specific, you can use your voice to search for it. So it's very easy to recall activities and things like that. It's using modern hardware and it's mixed in with some nice AI. And it's something that may not be for everyone, but if you want that total control, you want something smart in your house, and you want to be notified and feel like you have control of your house, even when you're not home, then the Lighthouse security system is something you should definitely check out. If you want to check their camera out, there is a link in the description down below. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time watching this channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I'm a guy that talks about technology, anything from the smartphone to the smart home, I covered on my channel. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja here. Have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.